Well, I just want to give an update on this old golf cart that I have acquired. I was able to get the batteries charged. I was able to get the battery charger that came with it to work. But evidently the batteries can have a charge, but not any amperage is what I'm guessing. Because the batteries, after I charged them, said, the whole entire pack was reading over 30, 34, 36 volts, something like that. I put the selector in reverse, you can hear. It's got voltage to do that. When I hit the gas, you can hear something clicking in the back, but it's not going anywhere. So it's got enough voltage to, enact a solenoid or what it might be, I don't know. So what I've done is I bit the bullet and I bought a new battery. I got the 36 volt lithium battery. It has not come in yet. Amazon's wonderful Prime shipping, I guess it's a thing of the past. It was gonna take almost a week from the time I ordered it for it to come in. So it is what it is. It's not like I'm driving this to work. So it'll get here and I will go over taking out these 6 batteries, putting in the lithium battery and all the hookup that it takes to do that. I did, though, I wanted to share with you guys, I did figure out how to charge a totally dead battery. That's what was happening with the battery charger that came with this. It won't kick in, it won't activate unless there is somewhat of a charge. So what I did was, and actually, my battery charger, the one I use for my car, it's the same. It won't charge a battery that's got too low a voltage. So I've got a jumper pack, one of these little lithium battery jump start deals, and I would hook it up to the batteries, give it a little bit of a charge, and it would recharge the batteries and put about 5 volts in there, 4 or 5 volts. And that gave it enough for me to then hook the battery charger that I use for my car. I would hook them up in sets of 2 so that it would be putting 12 volts into 2 batteries, not 12 into 1 6 volt battery. So I let them charge for a while and got them up to 10, maybe not quite 11 volts. And I got them all charged that way. Then I plugged in the battery pack, the charger that came with the golf cart. And sure enough, it started charging, and it did. It charged them all up, but I just don't think there's any amperage. And I think that's because of the age of the battery, the fact that, like the other video I showed you, there was no fluid in there whatsoever. I just put regular old tap water in there. I didn't put distilled water like you're supposed to. I didn't know. I didn't think about it at the time. So I'm not going to take them all and drain them and put distilled. I don't think that's the big difference. But, anyway, we're going to go with a lithium battery. It's lighter, has a little bit more power, and, it'll be fun hooking that up. So I'll bring you guys back. I'll do another video when that comes in. Today is Saturday, so I've still got 4 or 5 days before it gets here. So anyway, you guys take care.